Hi guys, this is our little church in Verbena, Alabama. I wanted to take you inside so you can see how we do our hanging of the greens. This church is 150 years old and it is original. There's not siding on that. It's the original wood, the original steeple, the bell tower. It's all original. So I'm excited for you to see inside. I just love our little church. I have 2 or 3 stories about our church. One of them that I love. It's absolutely awesome. During the World War I and World War II, see the bell tower? At noon every day, they rang the bell for people to stop and pray for the soldiers. But I did want to come in. I want to come in the front door. The thing I wanted to show you is the bell. And I'm going to ring it. I'm going to see if we can hear it while we ring it. Hear it? Did you hear it? I'm going to do it one more time. It takes a lot to do it. That's where it comes from. I'm going to show you. I made y'all dizzy, I know, but it's such a sweet sound. But here we go. We're into our main sanctuary. And during the first Sunday of Advent, we do a fun little thing. We do hanging of the greens. And we talk about the different green evergreens that remind us of God is with us forever. We normally use white for purity and gold for the gold that was brought into him. And we have a ceremony. We call it a ceremony, but it's really not a ceremony. It's just really a fun thing. Our trees have all chrismons on them. And chrismon is only a word for monogram. They're all the monograms of Jesus on here. Everything from he's a dove to his initials. He's the dove. There's the cradle, the cross. Just about everything that you can think of that represents the King, infinity, the Alpha and Omega, the lion. Almost every one of these things represent Jesus and what he is and what he does for us. I'm trying to go slow. These are all handmade. They were made by, some of them made by ladies who have already passed away. Some of them we came in and made. We have a ladies that I'm not going to even mention their names because I'll forget somebody, that keep them furbished. They just keep everything beautiful. In fact, we're going to have another day that we make chrismons soon. So I just wanted to share that with you. We also have the Advent candle ring, and we do that every Sunday. So it's just a great way to start the season off. And I really just wanted you to have a look at my church. It means a lot to me, and it's just exquisite. Weddings here are gorgeous. Christenings and baptisms are wonderful. We have, even the funerals are so sweet because the acoustics are so good in this. Our baby Gran was donated to us from one of our past saints. And it is a beautiful sound because the acoustics in here are absolutely gorgeous. Everything, the carpet of course is not, and of course the seats not, but the benches are all what was here for years. I don't know how long. And these are our little bags that we put our Christmas cards in. Instead of trying to mail everybody a Christmas card, we just have ladies that make these bags and they hang the names on them. And all we have to do is put our little cards into them. I was going to try to see. Here's mine. See, they go, Bucky and Brenda. And they just make some of the neatest things there. So I know this is short, but I did want to share with you the beginning of the season that we do in our little church. And to me, it just symbolizes love and joy. Till our next adventure.